Legal dictation 90 words per minute. Court order start. In the affidavit filed by the state or the relevant corporation to the effect that there were certain complaints against the writ petitioner which necessitated the transfer of the writ petitioner from the corporation to the municipality. It is elementary that transfer cannot be used as a tool of operation or punishment, and it is only for the better administration of the functioning of the employer that a transfer may be affected. The Office Memorandum of May 8, 2020 dual cited administrative reason as the ground for transfer. When a employer, even a government employer, cites administrative reasons for affecting a transfer and such transfer is otherwise not impermissible in law, such transfer is scarcely justifiable unless an egregious case of malice or hostile discrimination is made out. A mere allegation or a speculation that someone else had to be accommodated in the place of the transferred employee would not be such a ground that would excite a court in exercise of its authority under Article 226 of the Constitution to interfere into the functioning of a government body and sit in judgment over the administrative reasons for which the government employer seeks to transfer any employee, in the light of the clear power given for any officer or servant of a corporation to be transferred to a municipality, and such power being without any fetters, the 1922 rules or guidelines could not have been used as a mechanism to create any impediment in the way of such unbridled authority as conferred by Section 116 of the guiding statute. In the impugned judgment, the learned single judge exercised veritable appellant authority in going into the reasons for the transfer of the writ petitioner for the corporation to the municipality. Ordinarily, such is not the nature of the power of judicial review that is exercised under Article 226 of the Constitution. The exercise of judicial review in such context has more to do with the decision making process than the reasons for the decision. If the decision making process is found to be permissible and the employer cites administrative grounds to be the basis for the transfer, there is hardly any scope for interference by the writ court in such a scenario. Certain imaginary grounds appear to have weighted with the learned single judge while allowing the writ petition. At the several places, the writ court has found that there must be compelling grounds for a transfer of the present kind to be affected, or there must be unavoidable necessity for such purpose. Nothing in the applicable law or the governing guidelines provides any of such grounds which have been read into the provisions. For the reasons aforesaid, the judgment and order impugned dated September 10, 2020 cannot be sustained unless expansional grounds are made out An order of transfer ought not to be interfered with in the extraordinary jurisdiction under Article 2026 of the Constitution. The judgment and order impugned stand set aside. WA number 1142 of 2020 succeeds. The writ petition stands dismissed. There will, however, be no order has to cost us. Consequently, CMP number 14023 of 2020 is closed. Stop.
பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் உங்கள் ஃபோன் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனில் தேடி வரும்.